Lesson 4. Pollution, acid rain formation. Today we can see how careless the mankind has been over centuries. The nature suffers of the polluting human. The soil has been polluted by old dumping areas where no proper cycling has been taking place. Former gas stations and mill areas are contaminated. The oceans suffer from oil leaks, from drilling and oil shipping. There is even plastic waste dumped in the oceans. Oceans, lakes and shores are becoming eutrophic by fertilizers and wastewater. The acidification of the soil and water is a result of using fossil fuels. The burning of fossil fuels yields carbon monoxide, CO, and carbon dioxide, CO2. The fossil fuels contain always sulfur that forms sulfur dioxide, SO2, and the burning reaction is sulfur plus oxygen gas yields sulfur dioxide. Burning occurs usually at high temperatures. Therefore, also nitrogen reacts with oxygen, since 78% of the air is nitrogen gas. When nitrogen burns, nitrogen oxides are formed. Nitrogen gas plus oxygen gas yields nitrogen monoxide, and nitrogen gas plus 2 molecules of oxygen gas yields 2 molecules of nitrogen dioxide, and all of these non-metallic oxides become acidic in rain clouds and in wet soil. The formation of carbonic acid is carbon dioxide plus water yields carbonic acid. Sulfur acid H2SO4 is formed by several different stages. Formation. When sulfur burns, it yields sulfur dioxide, and when sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen gas, it yields sulfur trioxide, and when sulfur trioxide reacts with water, it yields sulfur acid. Also, nitric acid is formed by complicated ways. One reaction is when nitrogen oxide and nitrogen trioxide reacts together, yielding N2O5, and when that reacts with water, it yields 2 molecules of nitric acid. And the reaction with oxygen and water, when nitrogen dioxide reacts, it yields 4 molecules of nitric acid. An acid donates in water a hydrogen ion, and then the acidic hydrogen ion H3O plus is formed. And the more hydrogen ions an acid can donate, the more acidic the solution comes. You can fix the acidic water solution by neutralizing the acid with a base. A base is a compound that in water forms hydroxide ion, OH-. The neutralization reaction is between these two ions, hydroxide ion and hydronium ion. OH- plus H3O plus yields 2 molecules of water. The reaction between a base and an acid yields always salt and water.